Hi guys, part two is here of all of my one combos that I'm teaching you. Let's get into the video. I'm just going to mess up my counter because it's just a counter. I cannot hit easily when I use it, but hitting when I use the counter can hit the opponent that hit you with the counter. You know that, right? So let's go. So first, start off with leave a wiring stream without any M1s. Do jump and then use flowing water. If you miss, just miss that counter and then run back. Use 3 M1s. Try again if you miss. Hunter's Grasp. Lean forward. 3 M1s. Leave a wiring stream and jump. Do flowing water. If you miss, do the twisted tech for the finisher, and then side dash. Use Hunter's Grasp. If you missed, I'll teach you the next one. So start off. So this is the start off with a dash, and this is the ultimate one. Use Rampage if you don't have the ultimate. Use Crust Rock. Water Stream Rock Smashing. If you miss Rock Splitting Fist, use the Final Hunt. What? I'll teach you the next one. Use Water Stream Rock Smashing. Do a down slam. Rock Splitting Fist. Crust Rock. And then use Water Stream Rock Smashing. Then do a down slam finisher. This is not about the ultimate anymore. So start off with a side dash and do a ghost punch. Do 3 M1s for the ghost punch. Hunter's Grasp. Lean forward. And then do a mini uppercut. Not the one without midair. If you do, that mistake is just fine. Jump and do flowing water. If you miss, do 3 M1s, side dash, and then use Hunter's Grasp. If you miss, do a finisher with the twisted tech and do a finisher with your down slam. And I'll teach you the next one. So start off with a dash, 3 M1s, and then if you miss, try again for the down slam, Hunter's Grasp, and then do a mini uppercut, and then do leave a wiring stream. If you miss your dash of the leave a wiring stream tech, do flowing water and pretend you done a down slam finisher and use Hunter's Grasp. And this is the next one. If there's a cooldown of flowing water and Hunter's Grasp, dash forward, do a 3 M1s, mini uppercut. Then when it's done, do 3 M1s, down slam, use Hunter's Grasp because it's low way to go, and you will easily catch them with your dash attack. Then, if they're healing, you use flowing water, side dash, use Hunter's Grasp, and do this.
Mama, show me the next.
If you miss, I'll teach you the next one. So, start off with a dash, and then use 3 M1s, and pretend you've done a Kyoto. Do the Kyoto with leave a wiring stream this time. If you miss, do it again with flowing water like the last time.
What?
Wait.
I was a mama.
Okay, I'm just going to clip here. Okay, she stopped now. Then try it. What? flowing water for the start of the Kyoto.
I want the mama.
Then if we don't do the Kyoto and do flowing water, Fun does and use Hunter's Grasp without any M1s. If we don't do a finisher, ow. Bruh. And if we don't do a finisher,